reporting from bed. I am just trying to book my booster vaccine, but obviously the queue is huge because people my age can book them now. I have just been reading to the little one in bed whilst Zach gets ready quickly, and he is taking her whilst I get some bits done this morning. Yes, so what I literally wrote us out an itinerary yesterday because there's so much to do. Apparently it's supposed to be getting ready quickly now and starting the vlog. Hooray, I did that. But yes, I need to get ready, I need to start putting some washing on, and then I need to start editing the vlog. And we'll see how far we get before swimming. Hi my love, so I'm tentatively ready. Oh, shall I show you my outfit? I've got a baby girl on my shoulder because I'm going to take it downstairs. Apparently she's got strawberry all over hers. Wow, it's very blue in here. You'll have to imagine shoes on me. I'm just going to wear my Nike Air Force Ones. Are you surprised? No. This is my outfit today. Thought I'd wear these House of Sunny pants because they're knitted, so they're quite cosy. Then I've got an old Levi's tee on and my bowed cardi. And yeah, just imagine some Air Force Ones on. Well, I'm not going to put them on right now. Anyway, my loves, I slapped on the tiniest bit of makeup. Today I really mean that. We're on a tinted moisturiser, blush, brow and mascara. And I'm going to head downstairs and start some washing. That is priority number one because otherwise it gets out of control. And obviously we'll probably want to take some of the clean stuff with us either up north or to the farm, so everything needs to be washed and ready to go. So that is priority number one because we've got 2 days before we leave, and everything needs to be dry. I'm off to do that, then I'm going to edit the vlog. Just sat here in my coat for no particular reason. I went upstairs to get some bits so we could be ready to go to swimming whilst the vlog was uploading, and I haven't taken my coat off since, but I'm obviously wearing this nice Isabel Marant coat again. Finished the vlog, hooray! Just been doing a few emails, things like that. I'm hoping that the next few days will not be too busy work-wise, but you know, last minute things are happening. Also got some fun links for Monica Vinader. Again, I am working with them over on my Instagram, and these links are part of that job. But I think you will want to know about these because if you use these links, you get 20% off products. So you may remember me talking about my new ear stack the other day. Got 2 links, one for earrings and one for rings. So if you want to have a look at those, I will leave the links down below for you, and yeah, you can get 20% off, which is so exciting. I will also put it on the original ear stack video now. I think that makes sense. But anyway, yeah, so it's basically almost swimming time. We've got to get going, but I will do those links quickly first. Hi my loves, as you can see probably from the light, swimming is done. I did have the thought crossed my mind like, oh, should we just skip swimming this week? But we went, and I'm glad we did because it's obviously the last one before Christmas, so she won't be going for a few weeks. So yes, I'm glad we went, but I did think, oh my goodness, is it worth the effort this week? She really enjoyed herself, so it's all worth it. And anyway, after swimming, I popped into the shop and I got Zach the ingredients for dinner and myself a meal deal again. Don't know if she's going to fall asleep in the car this time, but I'm just so hungry. Hello all. Oh my goodness, just having a yawn. So someone's had her dinner. Donald Duck. Now we're gonna have some pre-dinner playtime, chill with her, watch her. Pre-bed. Bed. Oh my god, I can't speak. I'm so tired. Pre-bed playtime. So that's all our updates for now. Nothing super big to report. been wearing this totem jumper a lot. Excuse it, it is so stained. This is baby life. It's got quite bobbly already. I don't know if this is just like initial bobbling, like first stage bobbling. I hope it doesn't keep bobbling like this, but anyway. We've got one of these in the drawer, so I thought I'd try debobbling her. That is the call of a child, and I'm going to go and heed it. Something else I was going to say. Oh, that I think concludes the washing. Washing done in one day, magical. Except I just realised I hadn't washed our swimming stuff yet, so I take it back. So it is time to go upstairs. I'm relaxed. So resettled the baby. I'm in my dressing gown. I'm just waiting to get into the shower. You may be able to hear Zach getting in the shower. Another day is complete. It's funny, I asked on Instagram, because you know we've only got 10 days left of Vlogmas. Well, this is, I think once this is up it's 9, I don't know, I can't do maths. Although I'm doing 24 videos I think, because I'm not going to vlog Christmas Eve I don't think, because I'm not editing on Christmas Day obviously. So it'd be like a proper advent calendar style thing. So what's that if today is number 16? So in fact I think there's 8 videos left. Anyway, does it matter? Wow, I really can't do maths. But I asked on Instagram what you've liked, what you'd like to see more of, what you'd like to see less of, and yeah, just Vlogmas thoughts basically. And actually it's been so nice to read your responses, and thank you so much if you said something nice and lovely and encouraging. It's really helpful because it's a lot of work, but I've really enjoyed doing it this year. Obviously we're not at the end of it yet. It's so funny because it just shows that you can never please everyone, or you know, people like such different things and different aspects of the vlogs. For some people they want more montagey stuff, more like chill vibes. Other people want more bedtime chats, which I'm always like, wow, are these the worst things in the world? But some of you enjoy them, hooray. Some of you want more parenting stuff, some want less parenting stuff. It's just so funny that there's always such a split on everything. Doing a little survey like this is just so valuable to me. I think especially at this stage when we're kind of reaching the middle of Vlogmas and it can be a little bit of a lull, and it just feels like it's giving me inspiration again. So many of you have some lovely ideas, and also it just gives me a bit of reassurance because there's so many things that I think to include in the vlogs or to include more often in the vlogs, and I think nobody must be enjoying this. Like, there is no point in me including this, but to know that at least some of you do enjoy various different aspects that I'm unsure of, it's really encouraging and really lovely. Obviously we are really busy, so there's a limit to sort of what I can do and how much I can change, because some of these ideas are really great and I will maybe include them later on down the line, perhaps not in Vlogmas. I know that lots of you want more book content, and I'm so sorry we have been very light on book content this Vlogmas, and the reason is I just have not had time for reading. So I obviously can't chat too much about books when I don't have a lot of time to read. Maybe I will do a little TBR of what I would like to read over the festive period, or like pack my books with me. Let's do that tomorrow, because I'm obviously going to take some books to the farm for Christmas, and I'm packing for the farm for Christmas tomorrow because we're up north, and then we'll be at the farm, because yes, we won't have time after our northern trip. Need to do some lateral flows as well. We do luckily have some in the house. We are really minimising, I think, our contact with other households now and keeping it just to people that we really love and really want to see. But anyway, I got off topic there for a second. Yeah, I'll do a pack my books with me tomorrow, and lots of you asked about house stuff, and tomorrow is the day, I think it is the only day we'll make it to the house in Vlogmas. There will be more coming your way in the new year for sure, because big things are happening. In fact, Saxony drove past today and the roof was off, so we'll go and inspect what's going on over there tomorrow. So yes, house vlog tomorrow, very exciting. I mean, does it still kind of look like a shell? yes, but I can take you through some of the decisions that we've made recently. We've made one major decision which I did try and talk to you about in the vlog the other day, but I edited it out because I just think it would make more sense when I'm in the house to show you. But yes, thank you so much for all your support, your love, your lovely comments. It means the world, and it's really picked me up and made me feel inspired for these next / last few days of Vlogmas. I think I'm gonna have my shower and get to bed as quickly as possible. I think my skin is already suffering without my new favourite moisturiser. It definitely feels oilier because, as I've said, I think that moisturiser is pretty good at oil control while still being really moisturising. I definitely feel oilier, and also I really had to stop myself from picking my skin just now. I was like, oh, I was itching to do it, but I was like, you have to leave it alone. But yes, tomorrow's vlog should be really exciting. We are doing a spot of shopping as well. We're just basically ticking off everything possible that might need to get done before Christmas, essentially. There's one more jobs come through that I'm gonna do once we're up north, and obviously I have done quite well on the Christmas presents front actually, and do you know, having that brainstorming time a few weeks ago, I think it was in one of the early VLOGMASes, really helped, because although I have been panic buying, I have been intentionally panic buying things that I had already decided on, which is why I think I put it off so late, because I was like, I know what I'm getting, it won't take me that long. But actually the process of looking for the exact right thing and buying it does take a while, and that's also why I've been putting it off, because I couldn't be bothered. But yes, I think that brainstorming session actually made the world of difference. So I still have a few bits to get. I'm going to get a couple bits in the shops tomorrow, and then I've got some more that I want to order online, and I also need to do Zach's presents, which is a big one, and I need to do anything else that I want to buy for Inez, which I probably shouldn't buy her too much. Like, in actual fact, actually does need a few things toys wise, because she's definitely grown out of all of her toys. I think I said that recently, but I also know that my mum and other people are going to get her loads of things, so I need to err on the side of caution. I suppose I'd better get on that tomorrow as well, put that on my list. Yes. Thank you so much for watching today. But yes, thank you again for your love and support. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.